done playing nice. Time to tear this place apart. Rev it up. I walk into the room and I'm kicking down the door, leave the sweat and the blood right here on the floor. I don't need to warm up, I'm already at the peak. I'm a fucking heavy machine, you're looking obsolete. Grip the heavy iron and I pull it to the chest.